Hey guys, what's up? What's good? It's your girl Shakira. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got my crocheted passion twist hair to look so bomb and so undetectable. Now without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So the hair that I'm using for this tutorial is called the Tiana Passion Twist and it's 100% handmade. I was so excited to receive this hair because I've been wanting to do the passion twist for quite some time now. So shout out to them for hooking a girl up. So I got this hair in the color 1B because that is the exact color of my hair. The pack came with some extra goodies. It came with rubber bands, some hair jewelry, and a latch hook. So this pack that they sent me had 7 bundles and each bundles had 11 individual hoops or passion twists. So I started my hair off camera because I didn't want this video to be super long. But what I'm doing is I'm just sectioning out the size of my individual or my crochet hair, and I'm using rubber band which will act as my base for my crochet, and I'm just twisting the ends of my hair. My hair is already washed and moisturized, so the only thing I'm doing is spritzing my hair with a little water before I twist the ends of my hair. For the actual crochet, the first thing I do is push the latch hook up and under the rubber band, which acts as my base. I then hook the opening or the hoop-like part of the twist to the latch hook and pull it through. Using my index finger to anchor the twist in place, I then hook both the ends of my hair and the twist onto the latch hook and pull that through as well. After that, I'm going to push the latch hook through the twist, trying to get it through as much hair as I possibly can. Then I'm going to hook my hair onto the latch hook and pull that through as well. And I'm just going to continue doing that until my hair is practically braided into the twist. The steps are a lot harder to explain than it is to actually do, but you guys get the gist. I will be repeating the steps in the video so you guys can understand, but please feel free to pause or rewatch if you have to. But this method is super duper easy and quick. This hair is super soft and fluffy. I love the look of the curls and I like the fact that it's already twisted because ain't nobody got time to be twisting 77 individuals, and I like the look of individuals, so yeah, it's a win-win. I absolutely love the finished look. It looks really nice, lightweight and super soft and fluffy. Comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys think about this hair. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, like, share. See see you in my next video, guys. Peace.